Students of class 6th, exercise 11C. In this exercise, we have to distribute the given amount in ratio. Question 1. Rupees 1 to 20 is to be distributed between Hari and Gopi in the ratio 5:3. Means the partition of Hari is 5 and part of Gopi is 3. Total part is 8, means 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So this is the complete part, means this is the value. This is called 5x, 3x equal to 8x. This is the complete value and this is the complete value. It means 8x equal to 120 and x will be 15. This is the value of x. Now place the value here. Then first part will be 5 into 15, 75. Part of Hari will be 75 and part of Gopi will be 3 into 15 means 45. This question solved by yourself in proper manner. Question number 2. Divide 72 in the ratio 2 whole 1/2 to 1 whole 1/2. This is the ratio. Complete value is 72, means 72 we have to distribute in this ratio. First of all, we will convert this mixed fraction in improper fraction, then after we will distribute. So let's start this question. Third question you will solve by yourself. Fourth question I will give you question 2 and question 4. Question 1 and 3 you will solve by yourself because both are the same question and 2 and 4 are the same question. So all the 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are the same. Let's start question number 2. So question number 2 is the amount is 72. Amount is rupees 72. A ratio is given there. 2 whole 1/2 to 1 whole 1/2. Convert this ratio in mixed fraction. 2 2 is 4 and 1 5/4. 2 2 2 1 is 2 and 1 3/2. This is the complete value 72. So add them. First part 1. Part first equal to 5/2x and part second equal to 3/2x. Both part means 5/2x plus 3/2x equal to, this is LCM is 2, then this is 5x plus 3x means 5 and 3 8x/2 equal to 4x. This is the complete value 4x and 72 is the complete value. It means the value of 4x is equal to 72. Then value of x equal to 72/4. 4 1 is 4 and 4 8 is 32. This is the value of x. Now first part. So part first equal to 5x/2 means 5/2 into x. X is 18 equal to 2 9 is 18 means 5 into 9 equal to 9 5 is 45 rupees. This is the part first. And part second. Second part equal to, that is 3/2x means 3/2 into x equal to 2 9 is 18 means 3 into 9 equal to 27 rupees. This is the answer. Part 1 is 45 rupees and part second is 27 rupees. Our question was there 72 rupees we have to distribute in this ratio. First of all, we will convert the ratio in improper fraction. Then this is the first part, this is the second part. So part 1 is this. Take the x with them. Add both the ratios. It will be 8x/2 means 4x. So this is the complete value and complete value is equal to 72. It means 4x is equal to 72. Value of x is 18. Put the value of x here and here also. So part first will be 45 rupees and part second will be 27 rupees. Now next question, question number 4. Fourth question is, divide 10,400. Amount is 10,400 rupees in the ratio ABC, ratio A, ratio B, ratio C is equal to 1/2, ratio 1/3, ratio 1/4. These are the part of A, B and C. First of all, add them, means A plus B plus C equal to, means 1/2x plus 1/3x plus 1/4x equal to, its LCM will be 12. 2 6 ja and 6 1 ja 6x plus 3 4 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4x plus 4 3 ja 12 and 3 1 ja 3x equal to, this will be 13x upon 12. This is the complete part, and this complete part is equal to 10,400, means 13x upon 12 is equal to 10,400. So 13x equal to 10,400 multiplied by 12, then x equal to 10,400 multiplied by 12 upon 13. 13 8 ja 104, 13 8 ja 104, this 104 and 00 means the value of x equal to 13 8 ja 00 into 12, means 813 ja 10,400. This is the value of x. Now 12 8 ja 96, 9,600 is the value of x. Now part of A. So A gets 1/2, means 1x upon 2 equal to 1/2 into x. X is 9,600. Divide 9,600 by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 1 is remain, means 16. So 2 8 ja 16, 4,800 rupees is the part of A. Part of B, 1/3x equal to 1/3 into 9,600. This will be 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, means 3,200. Part of C, 1/4x equal to 1/4 into 9,600 equal to 4 2 ja 8 and 4 4 ja 16, 2,400. This is the complete answer of question number 4. You can solve this question in by another method also, that is simply the LCM of denominator is 12. So you can solve this question by this method also, that is their LCM of denominator is 12 simply. So it can be 1/2 into 12, ratio 1/3 into 12, ratio 1/4 into 12. It will be 2 6 ja means 6, ratio 3 4 ja 4, ratio 2 3 ja 3, means the ratio will be there 6 4 3. Now taking this 6 for 10 and 3 13. So the value of 13x equal to 10,400, x will be 9,600. Then part of A equal to 9,600 multiplied by 6x equal to 9,600. Then part of A equal to 9,600 by 3, and part of B equal to, this is 96 upon 6. This is the value of x. Then each part will be there. This is 6 for 10 13. It will not 10,000 9,600 simply. X will be there 800. So first part of A equal to 800 into 6, then 4,000 800. Part B will be there 4 into 800, 32. C 3 into 800 means this process you can also use. So from these two process you can use any one process. Now next question number 5. The fifth question is profit of rupees 2500 is to be shared among 3 persons in this ratio 6, 9, 10. How much does each person get? Means total amount is there 2500 and ratio is this. So first of all add them, 15 plus 25x, then 25x equal to 2500 means this is x is 100. Now part of this 100 into 6 means 600, part of this 900, part of this 1000 rupees, and this will be the complete answer. Solve this question in proper manner. This is only explanation of this part. Question number 6. Sixth question is the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 378. Find the greatest and the smallest angle. In any type of angle, in any type of triangle, there are 3 angles. So let's start the question number 6. Our sixth question is ratio of angles. Ratio is already given. Ratio is 3, ratio 7, ratio 8. And you know the sum of all the 3 angles is 360 degree. Means the sum of angles is 180 degree, not 360. That is the sum of quadrilateral. Sum of all the 3 angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Now this is the smallest angle, this is the greatest angle. So smallest angle is 3x, and 3x means first of all add the numbers, that will be 3, 10, 18. Find out the value of x. Okay, greatest angle equal to 8x. Now we have to find out the value of x first. So to find the value of x, that is sum means 3 plus 7 plus 8 means 10, 18x equal to 18. 180 degree means x equal to 18 banja 18, 10 degree. This is the value of x. Use the value of x. So smallest angle equal to 3x and greatest angle equal to 8x. This will be 8 into 10 equal to 80 degree, and this is 3 into 10 equal to 30 degree. This is the greatest angle, this is the smallest angle. So simply to solve this question, first of all find out the sum, because this sum is 180 degree. So sum of angles, cancel this line here. Sum of angles 3, 7, 8 means 18x equal to 180 degree. The value of x will be 10 degree. Then greatest angle is 8x. So 80 degree. Smallest angle is 3x. So 30 degree. This is the solution of part question 6. Now question number 7. Seventh question is the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3 to 4. The ratio is given there 3 to 4. If the perimeter of the triangle is 27 centimeter, find out the length of each side. Length of each side. Perimeter is 27. You know what is the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides of the triangle. So perimeter is already given, means this is the sum of the value. This is the ratio. First of all find out the ratio sum, that will be 2, 3 to 4 means 9. So 9x equal to 27, x equal to 3, then 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12. So 9, 6, 12 will be the sides of the triangle. So you can solve this question. Question number 8. In an alloy of zinc and copper weight 12 whole 1/2 kilogram, if in the alloy, the ratio of zinc and copper. First of all, the value is zinc, then copper. So a ratio of zinc and copper is 1:4. Means if zinc is 1 kilogram, copper will be 4 kilogram. Zinc is 8 kilogram, copper will be 8 4 ja 32 kilogram. Find out the weight of copper. Zinc and copper weight, this is the complete weight. This is the complete weight of an alloy. So this is the total. Find out the total of this ratio. Means 1 plus 4 equal to 5x equal to this. First of all, find out the value of x. So let's start this question. Question number 8. Eighth question is, the total weight of an alloy. Weight is 12 kilogram, 12 whole 1/2 kilogram. It means 12 2 ja 24 and 125/2 kilogram. Ratio is given. Ratio is zinc to copper. Zinc to copper. Zinc, Zn. This is the symbol of zinc, and Cu is the symbol of copper. In chemistry, you will read later. And then zinc is 1/4. So sum 1 plus 4 equal to 5x, means 1x plus 4x equal to 5x. This 5x is equal to 25/2. Then value of x, 5 5 ja 25. Then x will be 5/2. This is the value of x. Question ask about the weight of copper. Then weight of Cu equal to, what is Cu? Cu is 4, means 4x equal to 4 into 5/2. 4 into 5/2. 4 5 ja 20/2 equal to 10 kilogram. This is the answer. Copper is 10 kilogram, so zinc will be 2.5 kilogram, or 2 whole 1/5 kilogram. This question can be solved in other manner also, by other method also, that is simply write down zinc is 1x, copper is 4x. The sum is 12 whole 1/2, means 25/2 equal to 5x. Then x will be 5/2. Then Cu equal to 5/2 into 4. That will be 10 kilogram. So this is the another method also. So you can follow any type of method. No issue about the method now. Question number 9. Our ninth question is, how will 31,500 be distributed between A, B, C if A gets the double of what B gets? A gets double of what B gets, and B gets double of what C gets. So what is the part of C? So let the part of C is x. Then B will be double of C, means 2x. Then A will be double of B, means 4x, double of B. And total value is 31,500. Question number 10. 81,000 will be distributed in between 3 children, among 3 children. This question you can solve. Now listen, question number 9. Ninth question is, the distributable amount is 31,000. Distributable amount is 31,500 rupees. Our question is, A gets the double of what B gets, B gets double of what C gets. Then part of C is rupees x. Part of B, just double of C. C's value is x. Then just double of means multiply by 2x, means 2x. Part of A just double of b means just double of b means 4x. Now the sum of these values, sum is x plus 2x plus 4x means 4 to 6 and 1 7x. Then sum is also equal 31,500, then 7x. Then value of x equal to 31,500 divided by 7. 7 4 ja 28, 3 is remainder means 35, 7 5 ja 35 and double 0. This is the value of x. Now we have to find out the part of each. So part of a equal to 4x means 4 into 4500 equal to 0 0 4 5 ja 20 carry 2 4 4 ja 16 and 2 18 rupees. Part of b means b gets 2x means 2 into 4500 equal to 45 2 ja 90 means 9000. Part of c is x means simply 4500 rupees. These are the different values means part of a, b and c. In this question simply we have to solve. Complete amount is 31,500. Part of c is x, so part of b will be just double of x means double of b, double of c, sorry. Part of a just double of b means 2 times of b. B is 2x, so 4x. These are the part of ABC. Now total value is 7x and total value is already given 31,500. It means 31,500 will be equal to 7x. Value of x will be 4,500. Now a gets 4x means 4 into x 18,000. B gets 2x 2 into x 9,000. C gets x means 4,500. This is the solution of question number 9. Your exercise 11C is completed. If you have any type of doubt in this exercise, watch the video 2-3 times. Doubt will be clear. If your doubt will not clear, then you can write on the group. Your doubt will be clear soon. Thank you.